Umatri baka jelau kontrak sangma oleh tu baka jalan je konhun menteri kebalang mata kesni klara man penduk no ya ka single window agency baka Wanrah no da ka Meghalaya investment agency. Kini ke agency kan try kami kum ka single window agency tabakan dan kabor hakabakan ajung bed ne kan ajung mujur ya ka jing sangi ki karkhana bar kiwe di ki kampan rai hapo ka jela ki banyak lembah nandis kemat lembah je ke agency hakaba umatri ba unkli ya kini ke agency. Kontrak oleh tu rubah kan ke jalan juga konhun menteri arah Wanrah ik amendment pakai de barka Captain William University nang taru Wanrah ru ya ka jing siun da kam taki nang besar bar ki pergi judicial officer jo Sorkar jela bar kum juru ki try haki ki sam jongki.
Cabinet meeting today, and there were 5 agendas that were taken up. The first 2 agendas was simply the ordinances which had to be converted into bills, which will now be presented in the House. First is the amendment of the Captain Williamson Sangma State University Act. The ordinance was passed a few weeks back or months back. Number 2 was the Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2024. Again, this was an ordinance which was now converted into a bill and will be presented in the House. The third agenda was basically a proposal to amend the Retired Judges Secretarial Assistance and Domestic Help Rules 2013. This was done last in 2015, and hence there was a request that came in from the judicial officials from the judiciary, from the High Court, and based on those suggestions, the amendments were made to these particular rules to enhance the amount that is given as secretarial assistance and domestic help and other financial assistance that's given to retired judges and Chief Justice. The fourth was again a amendment to the allowances recommended by the Second National Judicial Pay Commission as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court. So these are directions given by Supreme Court that certain benefits to judicial magistrates and other judiciary officers in the state, the benefits that are given should be at the level of national level, and this particular direction has been given by Honorable Supreme Court. So as per the directions of Supreme Court, we are going ahead with those amendments. The last decision was to clear the bill for the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2024. In a crux, this is basically going to lead to creation of authority, which we're calling the Investment Meghalaya Authority, and this will be authority that will now replace the single window agency that is there in the state. The reason it's being done is because the single window agency has been there for a long time, and there are many areas which need to be improved, and hence now by coming up with this new bill, this is going to be a unified system where unified applications will be done through portals, and there will be all different departments will be part of this, and there'll be a tracking system to track in all the investments that or all the applications for investments that are coming to the state will be done. There's been different categorization based on the amount of investment, and so the smaller investments of below 1 crore will be cleared by a committee headed by Deputy Commissioner, and any investment between 1 and 10 crores will be cleared by a committee headed by the Chief Secretary, and any investment more than 10 crores will be sent to the IMA authority, which is headed by Chief Minister, and hence this will facilitate the easy application process, easy tracking process, and a system that is going to allow ease of doing business and improve the overall ease of doing business in the state of Meghalaya. So this particular bill was approved by the cabinet, and this will be placed in the House for yes. The single window agency will be replaced by the Investment Meghalaya Agency, the IMA authority.
So Meghalaya, we can say that the state is going digital in this.
It's digital, plus it is also, as I said, unifying the entire process. There are investments that come in today for education, for health, for tourism, for IT, for agriculture, not just for manufacturing. And hence, in earlier, even the investments that are made for, say, something in, say, power sector, that would go to the single window. Somebody wanted to open up a bakery worth about 25 lakhs. They had to wait, and it would come to the single window agency headed by Chief Minister. So hence, all these different kind of complications are being now smoothened out, and this new authority is going to streamline the entire process, and digitization is, yes, a very important part of the process.
So, can you update us about the
I'm a bit hurried. Chalo.